Wood sauna, Finnish, Russian, Swedish sauna, immune system boost, hot-cold therapy, shower power, and gentle whisking with cedar twigs, feelings of euphoria. Et puis dans cette zone-là, je vais installer un coin sauna, mais sauna comme en Russie. On croit toujours qu'un sauna c'est un truc pour riches ici en Europe. Et en fait, dans des pays comme la Russie, la Finlande, ça fait partie du quotidien. On va même faire sa toilette là, dans le sauna. Et c'est juste une cabane en bois avec quelques pierres chauffées. Ça ajoute au bien-être de la vie quotidienne en fait. Sortir de sa maison et aller faire tout ce rituel de sauna, de chaleur, de transpiration. C'est une façon d'éliminer aussi les toxines, si on fait ça plusieurs fois par semaine. Et donc je vais faire ça là, tout près de la mare, donc tout près des canards, et il y aura une douche en plein air. Voilà. Le bien-être en fait, le bien-être mais simple, et chez soi. Let me share with you my personal practice, the one I've found to be the most enjoyable yet powerful after 20 years of experience. I call it the rule of 3 times 3. Number 1, stay in the sauna calmly. Breathe gently through the mouth. And why not combine it with aromatherapy? For this, add to the steaming water the essential oil that meets your health and well-being needs of the day. Even better, you gently whisk yourself or your sauna partner with cedar twigs to induce sweating and blood circulation. You could also use any other aromatic tree, such as birch or eucalyptus. Number 2. It is essential to alternate sauna sessions with cold plunges in a dunk tub, or cold showers, or snow rolls, or water gunfights. And number 3, relaxation or meditation or mindful body and soul scan, either seated or lying, looking at the stars and the moon through the canopy, for example. Do this ritual 3 times in a row and enjoy the rest of your day or night rejuvenated. Did you know there's a very authentic and natural place near Brussels where you can try out my recipe and experience wood-fired sauna and hot-cold therapy? The place is called Clairière de Dana. The result? You will feel your body sparkle with like myriads of minute champagne bubbles. And if you open yourself to it after the practice, you can enter a gentle euphoria that might lead you to trance-like states, as is the case for shamanic sweat lodges, for example. To know more about cold shower power and its best practices, watch this video. Or to give yourself a barefoot walk in the snow, well-being and health challenge, watch this incredible video. If you've had a good time, please show your appreciation with a like, a comment to tell us how our channel helps you, and share with your friends. Explore the playlists and sections for lots more wellness gems. There are also interesting links in the description. Thank you for being with us.